Okay, I'm going to give you the answers, the fully worked answers for questions 1 through 16 on page 450. Question 1 is c to the 5th squared, which becomes, this is a nice quick one, we just use the exponent rule, which is a to the m to the n, which is a to the m times n. And we do 5 times 2, which is 10. This becomes c to the 10th. That's your answer. Question 2. Let's get that down here. C squared to the 5th becomes the same thing. We multiply our exponents together. We get c to the 10th. Nice easy one as well. N to the 8th to the power 4. We multiply our exponents. We get n to the 8 times 4. 8 times 4 is 32. N to the power 32. Wow, here's a big one. Q to the 10th to the power 10. Multiply our exponents. Q to the 10 times 10, which is Q to the 100. Okay, a little more complicated. We've just got two separate terms here. C to the 5th to the 3rd. That becomes C to the 5 times 3. And we're multiplying that by c to the 4th. That gives us c to the 15th times c to the 4. Now we can use a different rule, which is a to the m times a to the n. That becomes a to the m plus n. So in this case, I'm going to add c to the 15th plus 4th is c to the 19th. Okay, that's question 5. Okay, d to the 3, or d to the 3rd power to the 5th power becomes d to the 15th, and we're multiplying that by d times 3 to the 0, which is d to the 0. That becomes 1. So it's 1 times d to the 15th, but we don't really need the 1, it's just d to the 15th. Okay, t to the 2nd to the negative 2, that becomes t to the negative 4th. This becomes t to the negative 10th. We use the first rule, which was a to the m times a to the n is a to the m plus n. So negative 4 add negative 10 gives us t to the negative 14th. We can simplify that even more to go 1 over t to the 14th. Don't forget, that's what the negative means. Number 8 becomes x to the negative 3, x to the 10th. Okay, we're just doing that multiplication. This becomes 1 over x cubed. X to the 10th goes up top. We have x to the 10th over x to the 3rd. Actually, I should probably combine these two right now. This is division property. We'll do that later, but we haven't done it yet. So now negative 3 add 10 gives us 7. This is x to the 7th. What you'll find out later is that we can start to cancel these, and we still end up with x to the 7th. But we'll learn that later. 5y to the 4th becomes 5 to the 4th, y to the 4th. Okay? 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 is 625. Y to the 4th stays as it is. Number 10. 4 to the 5th, m to the 5th. 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 is going to be 16 squared. Let's think. 4 to the 5th. So 512. 1024 m to the 5th. Ouch, my brain hurts. This becomes 7 squared. A squared. 7 squared is 49. That's a nice easy one. Number 12. Number 12 is 12. So it's 12 to the negative 1. G to the 4th to the negative 1. So this is made up of two terms, 12 and g to the 4th. They're both raised to this power. That becomes 1 over 12. This we multiply. G to the negative 4 becomes 1 over g to the 4. Becomes 1 over 12g to the 4th. Number 13, 6 squared, y squared. Squared becomes 6 squared y to the 4th, 36 y to the 4th. Number 14 is 3 to the 4th, n to the 6th to the 4th. Okay, the two terms 3 and n to the 6th are both raised to the 4th. 3 raised to the power 4 is going to give us 81 again. N to the 6th to the 4th is going to give us n to the 10th. No, it's not. 6 times 4, 24th. 81 n to the 24th. 2 to the negative 3, y to the 4th to the negative 3.